Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to re-download the App Store. So for example, you're missing your App Store icon on your phone. As you can see right now, I have mine still. Just for example, you don't see it on your end. The one thing you can only do is going to be going to Settings, and then clicking General. Once you're in General, scroll a little bit down, and you should see Transfer and Reset. And then from here, you're going to have an option that says Reset. If you click this one, you're gonna ask them to click these options. So you have reset all settings, reset network settings, reset keyboard dictionary, and reset home screen layout. Of course, we're gonna choose reset home screen layout, and I'm not gonna actually choose it from here because it will end the screen recording. However, this is the next step. After clicking this one, just input your mobile PIN or mobile password or Face ID, and then iPhone or your iPhone will securely reset your home screen, and then resetting everything here, that will show up your App Store. And that's how you fix your App Store missing on your phone or your iPhone. This also applies for your iPad, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.